In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the underline in PDF documents using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a simple yet powerful feature that can be incredibly handy when you're editing PDFs for more professional or cleaner presentations, or when you're simply trying to adjust the layout and style of the text in your document. Let's get started and walk through these easy steps together. First, you'll want to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you're new to Acrobat Pro, you can think of it as a robust tool that allows you to not just view PDFs, but also modify them with various editing features. Opening a file is straightforward. Just launch the program and head over to the File menu at the top. Click on Open and navigate to the location where your PDF is stored. Select it and it should open up in the main Acrobat window. Once your document is open, you'll need to identify the text within the PDF that has an underline you wish to remove. This is often text that was previously highlighted or emphasized for a presentation or review, but no longer serves its purpose. Locate this text in your document. You can scroll through manually or use Acrobat's search feature if the document is extensive. This can save you time and effort. With the text located, click directly on it. This will bring up a context menu, presenting different options specific to the text you've selected. It's designed to make your editing tasks more efficient, giving you immediate access to common actions. The key tool we're looking for in this menu is the icon that looks like a trash can. This icon represents the ability to remove certain formatting, in this case the underline. By simply clicking the trash can icon within this context menu, you remove the underline from your selected text. Acrobat's design here is intuitive, making it a quick one-step process to eliminate the underline without affecting other formatting options like font size or text color. This means the underline is gone while the rest of your text stays just as it was. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the underline from your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This simple technique can help tidy up your documents, ensuring they look polished and professional. Remember, keeping familiar with the various tools and icons in Acrobat Pro DC not only saves you time, but also allows for efficient document management. Feel free to replay sections of this tutorial if you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to explore other features available in your Acrobat toolkit as you continue perfecting your PDFs.